Here we come. We have 1st and 10 Vestal. Pass over to completed to number 88, I believe. Yep. And a gain of about 7.5 to 8 yards. 2nd down. Defense reacted to that one real good to hold it that much. Here we come. First down Vestal, and they are now at the UE 40. Yeah, right on the 40. They marked it. Here comes 28. Nice run. Looks like about 15 yards on the play. Another 1st down for Vestal. Actually, let's see where they're marking it. I think he got 16 yards. Or nope, marking it at 25. That'd be 15. 40 to 25. Might have been 15 and a quarter, because that's over the line now. The other time it's on the line. Yep. Whoop, throw to 88. Oh, incomplete. Second and 10. Looks like no gain, 3rd and 10. That was, looks like they lost a yard, actually. It's 3rd and 11. I think that was 42 tried to run that one. Defense was right there to meet him. Quarterback scramble. He's going all the way for a touchdown. Number 6. Great run. Hopefully we've got it all here. 12-0 Vestal. Let's see what we got now. And we're going to try and kick again. 88 for the PAT. Number 6 Holding, who just ran for the touchdown. Give him a chance to catch his breath, I guess, while he's kneeling there. That was a beautiful run. Kick is good, I believe. I believe I got the scoring correctly. It's 13-0.